Hi guys, let's to talk about the responsibilities of librarian and duties step-by-step work procedure guide. Librarian is a custodian or manager. His main role is to connect users to the library and its resources. He performed duties as an information disseminator and performed daily routine operations of the library services. Well, the main responsibilities of a librarian include organizing and managing library collections, including books, journals, magazines, and other materials. Assisting patrons in finding and using library resources, both physically and electronically. Maintaining and updating the library's cataloging and classification systems. Providing reference and information services to patrons. Planning and conducting library programs and events. Managing budgets, ordering and processing new materials, and overseeing the maintenance of library facilities. Collaborating with other staff to promote library services and programs. Staying current with developments in the library and information science field. A step-by-step work procedure for a librarian may include greeting patrons and answering basic reference questions, assisting patrons with locating and checking out library materials, staying current with new acquisitions and adding them to the library's catalog, assisting with library programming and events, such as book clubs, author visits, and workshops, maintaining library resources, including books, journals, and databases, responding to reference requests via phone, email, or in person, assisting patrons with using library technology, such as computers, printers, and e-readers, participating in professional development opportunities and continuing education to stay current in the field. Hopefully this suitable information will increase your basic knowledge regarding librarian.